there. Are you coming to GTM 2024 in Austin, Texas, October 14th through 16th? Well, I will be there and I'm super excited. I'm Kelly Hopping. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Demandbase. At GTM 2024, I'll be diving into some thoughts and drivers and ideas around sales and marketing alignment and how we can fix that leveraging data, metrics, aligned methodologies, and various technologies, and really just treating people as humans. So excited to talk about sales and marketing alignment with you. Whether you're looking for ways to get along with your sales or marketing teams, or whether you are looking for new metrics to measure key gates throughout your process, or looking for new tech that are going to help with all of it, this session will equip you with the strategies to excel in 2025. So don't wait. Secure your ticket before they sell out at joinpavilion.com/GTM2024. See you in Austin.